Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MissFlips. So today we are doing nothing but chairs. You know the drill. We're gonna rip off skirts, resell, clean, vacuum, all that good stuff. We're gonna sell it at a higher value for an awesome profit. If you guys are new here, my name is Marissa and I flip furniture, and I am on a mission to save $20,000 by the end of the year just by flipping furniture. So we're gonna see if we can make that happen. If you guys like this channel, please make sure to subscribe so you can stay tuned for all that good stuff. I have some awesome stuff coming and I release videos every Thursday. Let's get flipping. Look at these beauties. Oh my gosh, I am in love. These blue ones obviously didn't need that much work. The skirt was already torn off of both of them, so all I had to do was clean them off, give them a good vacuum, and we sold one of them for $200, so that's already a $30 profit. And it took me literally like 5 minutes to vacuum this whole thing, and then I let it out to dry and took these photos and listed it, and I sold it within a day. These two chairs, however, gave me a little bit harder of a time. I did have to go in and tear the skirt off, and these guys were actually a little bit more worn than the listing had described them as. So I had to make sure to show in my pictures that they did have tears on the arms of them, and also the top of the back cushion on the smaller one was torn as well. But I went ahead and tore off both skirts and exposed those lovely gams and listed them on Facebook Marketplace for $175. Alright guys, so for the orange set of chairs, I'm actually listing them on Facebook Marketplace for $175 because I noticed that there was a lot of damage done to the fabric, and when we bought the chairs we didn't realize that that was the case. And we're actually in the market for a house, so we are looking for pieces to collect while we're looking for the home. And we were originally thinking about keeping one of these pieces, but after looking at the condition that they were in, we really thought that we could do better and find another chair that was more fitting for what we were looking for. So I do actually have someone interested in picking those chairs up tonight, so hopefully those chairs are gonna be gone by the morning. These chairs actually did take me a little longer to sell than usual, and I do think that it was because of the type of fabric that it was and because of the tears that were visible on them. And they're also not the typical swivel chairs that are really popular right now. They only had the wooden legs on the base, so those maybe deterred people from wanting to buy them. Who knows? It's all a learning curve. I think in total it took me about 4 or 5 days to sell them, but here they are. It goes to show that all you have to do is have a little bit of patience and the right buyer will come along. If you guys want to stay tuned to see if they have sold or not, you can either follow me on Instagram and check out my highlight story, or you can look in the description below to see if I have updated that for you guys. I will update it with the price I bought it for, the price I sold it for, and my total profit. For the blue set of chairs, we bought both of these chairs for $170, and I know that's high, but I loved the blue on them. I thought they were so cute, and I actually wanted one for my own home. So we actually kept one of them and sold the other for a total of $200, giving us $30 profit. It's not huge, but we got a free chair out of it, and who doesn't like profiting for buying furniture for your house? And then the $30 actually went towards the bar stools that we ended up getting. We got both of those bar stools for $20, so we came out of both those sets of chairs with a profit of $10. So our total profit for this project was $110, and keep in mind we are keeping 3 of the chairs. So we scored 3 awesome chairs and $110 for furnishing our apartment. By the way, guys, if you guys want to learn how to reupholster furniture, let me know in the comments. I would love to show you guys a video of how I am going to flip these little stools here. and put new fabric on them to make them all nice and pretty. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys liked this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share, do all those things. Follow me on social media. I have Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll actually be able to vote on what I should do with certain pieces. So if you want to see me stain or paint or do whatever, I do polls on there, and your input is amazing. So thank you so much for that, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. Stay flipping, guys.